Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Chat Intimacy. Few days ago, I did a video on understanding the mysteries behind the market. I did it on V25. Yes, where I actually said that most of the times the market is not manipulated as most of us usually think. And I made mention of a particular one candle support, which is this. So, as at the time when I was doing that video, the market was actually selling down. I now said when it gets to this one candle support, we'll likely know where the market will be heading to. Now, when it gets to this one candle support, we saw for those that understand ICT concept, you were hearing that there was a grab of there was a liquidity hunt around this space. But this is what I want to show us. Now, this is like a bottom, double bottom, a likely possible double bottom. Okay, so that's a possible double bottom. So let me, that's a possible double bottom. Mhm. So that's a possible double bottom. Double. All right, so these are our possible double bottom. Now, if this is our possible double bottom, let's get the half of this. The where will be our neckline now? This is our neckline. Our neckline. So that will be our neckline. Neckline. I will advise that you watch my previous video so that you can follow suit. So you won't miss out. You understand exactly what I'm saying here. So that's our neckline. So let's draw out our rectangle. Or before then, let's get our ruler. Let's get the half of this possible double bottom. Now, so this is our half. Let me use a red line to signify that. Okay, so that's a half of our possible double bottom. So once it gets to this half, so we are watching, is it going to close above the half or is it going to close below the half? Now, what is the proof that this market is going to buy up? Let's get down to our 4 hours. Okay, so this is our 4 hours chart. I talked about one candle support and one candle resistance. Now, if you see from this very leg, the market has been bullish. Now, the likely resistance there. Okay, hasn't broken yet. Okay, so let's go down to 1 hour. Okay, so this is our 1 hour. So let's watch what has been happening. Okay, this is our one candle resistance. Okay, we got one candle resistance. All right, so one candle. All right, like I said the previous time, this market broke out from the one candle resistance. Then, like I said, market don't move straight. Now, what the market did, the market actually came and retested our one candle resistance. At this point, is now a support, and the market started buying up. Started buying up. It's from this place is a pointer that the market has turned bullish. But for the swing traders, let me go down to 4 hours. Yeah. Now our current resistance for on 4 hours has not been broken. This is our one candle current one candle current on 4 hours. Okay, so this is it. Well, some persons, because of patience and the like, they might want to do a half of a half. So half of half. Okay, what's our half? Let's check our half. Okay. So this is half of half. So this is our half of half. Coincidentally, it is on the same exact spot as our one candle resistance on 4 hours time frame. Okay, so let me color it green this time around. Okay, so if it depending on what actually happens there and comes to retest, we'll know whether the market will still go further up. So this is just a proof that the market is now often manipulated. It is as a result of it's a plan. So you just unlocking the mysteries, then you exactly know the overall bias of the market. If you are getting value for this video, please I want you to comment in the comment section, give me a like. And if you want me to do any further videos, something you want to understand better, please you can also comment on the comment section. So we'll do a follow up on this market and let's see how it goes for the next 1 week. All right, thank you. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.